ちょっと待って。
Today is July 24th, 2010. Noah is 5 months old today, and he's going to eat his first potatoes. Potatoes and formula mixed. Okay? So here you go, baby. Happy birthday, Noah. Here's your first potatoes. Potatoes. Yummy. Moja. Moja. Yeah. Moja. Yes, swallow your potatoes. Eat it. Don't just play with it. Eat it. What do you think? Not bad. Very good. Okay, a little more. A little more. You still have your own potatoes in your mouth. You didn't swallow.